of consistent lifting, workout, good nutrition, and positive mindset, I believe that real and long-lasting results don't have shortcuts. You don't need Ozempic or peptides to do that. All you need to do is, show up every day. And I want to inspire a lot of people. As a super bot, I want to inspire a lot of people that, it's never too late to transform your lives into something better, something stronger, fitter, and healthier. And I want to thank everyone for this opportunity. And I'm very proud to be part of a community that celebrates health and promotes wellness. Thank you.
Thank you, and your question will be coming from Judge Ray.
Patrick, what would be your go-to affordable way to nutrition, aside from Century Tuna, of course? Because that's something that we believe as a company that should be accessible to many Filipinos.
Well, contrary to a lot of belief that fitness is very expensive, I believe that it's very affordable. All you need to do is to have a balanced diet. You need carbs, definitely, for energy. You need protein for building muscles. And of course, you need some fats for hormones as well. So, probably rice, chicken is a good go-to meal, and some chicken egg. Boiled egg. That's it. Thank you.
Male number 22.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Glenn from 38, your marketing guy from LA, Lower Antipolo. Okay. So my Superbond era actually revolves with personal health wins, primarily because in the past few years, I've self-doubted myself, really do different things, vices and everything, but now I feel like there's really no proper time or daily timeline when you will start, but you should really know that every day is a way to start, and what's important is your journey and how you get there. Thank you.
Thank you. Your question will be from Judge Carlo.
Hi Glenn, good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I see here that you work in SM Retail.
Yes,
So what do you do in SM Retail?
I do marketing for upmarket brands, like upscale brands.
Ay, na Coco. Okay, sige. You're very close to SM, that's why I'm asking. Century Tuna, I mean. So, my question for you is, you talked about the things that are more of clean living, right?
Yes.
So, what are the things that you consider not clean and why?
I consider not clean things like, let's say, your fast food. Personally, I do cook a lot. Wala lang sa itsura. But I really get things that are natural, or let's say no pesticide. And I always try to create things that are more healthy, because since I entered this healthy choice living, I want that what I eat, what I consume is healthy from, of course, from the time that it's get uproot and to the table that I serve. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Name number 23.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Eno Bautista, and I stand for fitness and calisthenics because I believe this is what changes people's lives as it saved mine. Now, I remember a few years back, I was going through a rough time. I hated the way I looked, hated the way I felt. I had zero confidence, low self-esteem, and I remember my tipping point was that all the mirrors at home I used to cover with bed sheets and towels simply because I didn't like the reflection, and it was just horrible. But that's when fitness saved my life. And if I can do it, I know that anyone else can. and this is my Superbot era.
Thank you. Your question will be coming from Jasmine.
Hi, is it Eno?
Eno.
Eno. Nice to meet you, Eno.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, my question would be, for someone that has overcome that journey that you just shared with us, how would you advise your younger self to be able to, I guess, avoid or steer a different direction early on?
I guess the best advice I give to my younger self would be to focus on what's more important, not only when it comes to the gym, but spending more time with things that are more critical in life, like spending time with family. But when it does come to the gym, I'd just say show up, be there for yourself, don't do it for anyone else but yourself, and everything will follow.
Thanks, Eno.
Male number 24.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Carlo Tabihe. I'm turning 47 in 2 days. I'm from Mandaluyong and I work in film as a production and costume designer, and I'm also a transformation and fitness coach. I've been living with HIV for 21 years. I've been undetected for the longest time. I'm also in a zero different relationship with my partner, and that means I'm HIV positive and my partner remains negative up until now, after 20 years that we've been together. That shows that with proper treatment, coupled with fitness and holistic approach to wellness, I think this is possible to happen for everybody. I am here because I want to show the people that your life doesn't end with your diagnosis. I decided to be here to audition because I want to bring in the conversation that we don't talk about. Because there are a lot of stories like me that we don't know, it's just because we don't talk about it. I think this is my Superbot era. Thank you.
Thank you. Your question will be from Miss Christelle.
Hi,
Hello,
Carlo.
Christelle.
Hi. So my question for you is, what's one value you refuse to compromise, even if it costs you opportunities?
Wow. I refuse to compromise my truth. That truth that I accepted for the longest time with my partner also, we came out because we wanted to help people. If I had that, the experience of having people messaging me through my socials, asking for help, and thanking me for showing them that it is possible to live your life to the fullest despite your diagnosis. Thank you.
Male number 25.
Hi everyone, my name is Leonardo Fredo, 26 from Malolos, Bulacan. So, I actually stand here today just to tell everyone, just gotta be myself every time. As a child, I was really bullied, and it was really hard for me to, handle those pain growing up. And when I was 12 years old, that's when I started doing fitness because I realized I need to change something in me for people to like me. And then from then on and that forward, I started learning about fitness, gained knowledge, and started to transform myself. And now I'm at this stage in life wherein I would say I have really changed. And not only that, I have also inspired not only tens, but also already hundreds of people. So when I started taking it seriously last year, it really changed my life. Now it's moving forward, giving me opportunities, and how the Lord has really been kind to me. So this is my Superbot era.
Thank you. And your question is coming from Judge Jules.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, very good. How are you?
I'm good. My question for you is that you wanted to unleash your Superbot era by showcasing yourself through talent. And I was just curious what talent you wanted to showcase.
Alright. in terms of talent, well, honestly, well, I can do the same dance too, but the Superbot, it's more of, I would like more on to inspire people. And if it's something that, can make people move for change, do something that would make them better, I would do that. And actually, singing is one thing. I can sing to everyone, of course. Something that's driving people to make them really, happy, then that's one thing I would love.